Well, it's 5 machines now. I have now put 5 machines on this 485 interface, and I have connected them here. What about each one? They are all separate control line, each individual incoming line. Each unit is a separate incoming line. Separate power supply. Yeah. We're gonna take the first one here. One first. Unplug this green one and this green one first. We plug in this controller by wire. Okay, let's press the mode button and the wind speed button at the same time. A password appears here. The combination lock is 4857. Press this up and down button, this parameter. Press this switch button to replace it. Replace the second number. Four, 8, 5, 7. Then press the mode key. Confirm that D0 appears. Let's press the mode key to change it to D1. Get DE. DE is on top of D1. Then press the up and down buttons to select a no. One machine. This can be changed. No. One. This can be changed. Change to no one machine. Let's say this machine is machine number 1. Then double click the mode and wind speed keys to confirm. There's one at the bottom left. One appeared, which is the number 1 machine. Okay. This one is set up. Then the second machine is ready. Let's pause it first.